Hi there, here's a basic overview of the Spotbot app. To refresh a page in the Spotbot app, click on the refresh icon at the top of the page. To add or connect a new Spotbot device to your account, click the plus icon and follow the instructions. Your Spotbot app homepage will display all the Spotbot devices connected to your account. Each Spotbot device features a quick view panel to display your latest notifications and key settings. The icons next to the Spotbot icon represent the cameras connected to your Spotbot. A red dot means detection mode is deactivated. A green dot indicates that detection is activated and you will receive detection alerts for that camera. A camera icon with a line through it indicates connection problems with your camera. The icons next to the armed response icon represent the armed response mode status on your cameras. If the armed response feature is not activated on your Spotbot, these icons will not be visible. A red dot means armed response mode is disabled. A blue dot means armed response mode is enabled. To quickly snooze or unsnooze a specific Spotbot, click on the Spotbot's snooze button. To open the Spotbot's more detailed interface, click anywhere on the Spotbot's quick view panel. Your Spotbot interface consists of a notifications panel, a quick actions panel, and a menu section. The notifications panel will display all Spotbot notifications, like settings updates or detection images. From the quick actions panel, you can easily perform quick day-to-day actions like speaking through the Spotbot speaker, snoozing your Spotbot for a specific time, and enabling or disabling detection mode, either for yourself or all users, or enabling or disabling armed response mode. You can also request snaps from specific or all cameras connected to your Spotbot. And mute or unmute your Spotbot speaker. The menu section contains the more advanced Spotbot settings. In the settings section, you can view your network settings or update your login details. In the cameras section, you can add more cameras to your Spotbot, view all the cameras connected to your Spotbot, and toggle specific settings for a camera. Camera settings include drawing detection regions, masking certain areas in the camera's view to ignore detections, and enabling or disabling human or vehicle detection for the camera. You can also toggle the detection accuracy that Spotbot employs when monitoring the camera for intrusions. Lastly, you can give each camera a unique name like front door or garage to know exactly from which camera view Spotbot detected an intruder. In the Users section of your Spotbot menu, you can add new users or manage users' access to your Spotbot and view each user's detection mode status. You can also set up detection schedules for your Spotbot in the Scheduling section. Detection schedules can be for specific cameras on specific days and times. The Output section enables you to manage any relays like sirens or strobe lights that you've connected to your Spotbot. The Info Messages section of your menu is where you manage the system messages you receive from your Spotbot device through the Spotbot app or speaker. You can choose from which cameras you wish to receive connection problem messages and whether you want your Spotbot speaker to announce your Spotbots or USB relay devices activation. For more instructions on managing your Spotbot device through the app, visit our website at www.spotbot.co.za or contact our support team at support@spotbot.co.za. Alternatively, speak with one of our technical support team members at 086 00174443.